quite like this song, guys. It's always one that the Trooping of the Colour plays by the Queen. And I have always, sorry for the bad camera skills, I have always liked this song. It's one of the songs I always love about the Queen's Trooping of the Colour, which is her birthday parade, Queen Elizabeth. It's not so much Yoda's favourite, as you can see the chirps are not very loud. The other one was, he likes more louder beating music. As soon as it loudens up, he starts again.